Did you know you can start your car before you even get in it? In fact, you can start it from as far as 325 feet away. Let me show you how. First, press the lock button on your key fob to lock all the doors. Then, press the remote start button, the one with the 2X icon, 2 times. If your vehicle's exterior lights flash twice, then your car will start. For some vehicles, a light on your remote will also let you know if your car has started or not. Pretty convenient, right? To drive your car if it's been started remotely, with the car already running, just press the brake and push the engine start-stop button, or turn the key and you're ready to drive. Remote start is especially nice when you want to cool off your car before getting in on a hot day. In fact, if your car has automatic climate control, it will actually gauge the temperature inside the car and adjust it to a comfortable setting. This means that on colder days, your heated seats, steering wheel, and defrost will turn on, and your air conditioning and cooled seats will turn on when it's warm out. You can also control how long your car runs. Using the touchscreen, select Settings, Vehicle, Remote Start Setup. Make sure Activate Remote Start is turned on. Then touch Duration to program your engine to run in 5, 10, or 15-minute intervals. And if you want some extra runtime, you can repeat the remote start process to extend it. A few more important things you should know. On certain vehicles, the system only allows up to 2 remote starts an hour, or between manual starts. On others, you can only run your car for 30 minutes with remote start before you need to start it manually. And if you want to cancel remote start at any time, just press the 2X icon on your remote one time. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.